Umculo uhlanganisa abantu uyabona namanje. Hlangane nezinye izinsundu kakhulu. I want to tell South Africa one thing. These guys have sound me. I'm here with Lexico and the Touch Taboo. I'm still your host. We never needed a toast. Cause I keep on doing the most. Inkosi start umkichimi. Indoda kichima start ingene fatini shipu bese kamisile. Bathinka bese nitshebisa abantu ngoshura amapiano. Milana ngonpulo. Because connect. South Africa sengitshela ukuthi nipephe. But no, ngifuna nina nitshele South Africa ukuthi nipephe. So right now, please tell South Africa ukuthi, what do we have? Where can they get it?
Tanko bafethu, tala yakho eTVali bafethu. Siyabuya, siyabamba kule game bafethu. Chenini coast siyabamba, ngasimdala. More bangers. I'm number tell ukuthi we coming and we coming hard. Koninte fishekile kusameli shy. Coming hard, we coming hard. So right now, any music that's out, sazobalita bafethu. Utopile, all platforms, YouTube everywhere, Spotify, sazobalita everywhere.
Who are the people that inspire you guys?
I are communal inspire, inspire futhi man.
That's all I would say.
Mina ngasho ukuthi bakhona ama-artist angi-inspire nje abafana nakoZuma yabo. Ama-Hotman ashayile set serious. Since vele nami ngibukela kuya nami ngathi shayile sizenze. Abhala njengo-Terminator Rukali amazi finisher. Bayazi South Africa coming hard.
Right now, East as a piano, Swanny Nabafit as a new wave. Nazi Wanahanjan, like it came right now.
I came ngiyabona feri yashisa mara into one nje ufuna ukundlela siyeza watch out nina just watch out siyawumatheka no piano liyakhuphuka ama gels yakho please
It's really
yeah shine number sazonchayivisa we promise you bafethu as we keep on grinding isipani siyazwakala ningawari sazonchayivisa ungamangali ngaso touch tabuka lapha kini.
Before we leave, where can ababukeli nabalandeli get you guys?
On Facebook, Retical.o, TikTok, Retical, same thing, everywhere, Retical.o. Yeah, Chastabuga_TT ku TikTok, Chastabuga_TT ku Instagram, and then ku Facebook, the same thing.
Danko, Nisville Bafethu, still coming to you live from Roadhouse Pub and Grill, Dobsonville, Mfulo Connect, Savalanda, we still got more. Stay